Hello, this is Carlos here. Today I will share with you why companies are considering using Amazon Web Services, AWS, analytics services to gain a competitive advantage and drive growth. In today's competitive business environment, leaders must make data-driven decisions to stay ahead. Due to the increasing amount of data being generated, organizations need to analyze and understand their data in real time to improve performance, reduce costs, and gain a competitive edge. We are now going to see the reasons why companies are adopting AWS for their data analytics workloads. Reason number 1: scalability. AWS analytics services are highly scalable, which means they can quickly adapt to the changing needs of your organization. As your organization grows, you can quickly increase the amount of data you collect and analyze without worrying about running out of storage or processing power. Organizations can start small and scale up as needed, without the cost of expensive infrastructure. Number 2. Cost-effectiveness. AWS analytics services are cost-effective, as organizations pay only for the resources they use, reducing costs and avoiding unnecessary expenses. Additionally, since AWS services are cloud-based, organizations can eliminate the need for expensive hardware and software licenses. AWS also provides a wide range of pricing options, including pay-as-you-go, reserved instances, and spot instances. These allow organizations to find the best pricing option for their needs and budget. This is key in the current business environment. Number 3. Security. AWS analytics services are also highly secure, so organizations can be confident that their data is protected from unauthorized access and breaches. For example, organizations can use AWS analytics services to encrypt their data both in transit and at rest, which means it is protected from external and internal threats. Additionally, organizations can use AWS analytics services to monitor and detect potential security threats in real time, respond quickly and prevent breaches. AWS offers security services like IAM and KMS, enabling organizations to control access to their data and resources. Number 4. Flexibility. AWS analytics services are also very flexible, so organizations can collect, store, and analyze data from various sources. For example, organizations can use AWS analytics services to collect data from social media, web analytics, and other sources to view their customers and their behavior in detail. Furthermore, AWS analytics services enable organizations to analyze both structured and unstructured data, thus providing them with insights from diverse data sets. Number 5. Compliance. AWS analytics services are also highly compliant, which means that organizations can use them with confidence that they are meeting industry standards and regulations. For example, organizations can use AWS analytics services to store and process data in compliance with HIPAA and other rules, avoiding costly fines and penalties. Additionally, utilizing AWS analytics services can help organizations demonstrate compliance, thereby attracting more clients and enhancing their reputation. Some of the most popular industry use cases for AWS analytics services include healthcare. A healthcare organization can leverage Amazon Redshift to store and analyze vast amounts of patient data from various sources, such as electronic medical records, claims data, and wearable device data. This data can be used to gain insights into patient outcomes, such as which treatments are most effective for different conditions, and to identify potential issues with patient care. For example, a healthcare organization could use Amazon Redshift to process and analyze patient data to predict patient readmissions and identify those at high risk. This information can then be used to proactively intervene and reduce readmissions, leading to improved patient outcomes and reduced healthcare costs. Additionally, by using Amazon SageMaker, healthcare organizations can develop, train and deploy machine learning models that can predict patient outcomes, identify high-risk patients, and automate other clinical decision-making tasks. Finance. Financial services firms can use AWS Kinesis to collect and process vast streams of market data, such as stock prices and exchange rates, in real time. The data can be used to gain insights into market trends and to make informed investment decisions. Financial organizations use various AWS analytics services, such as Amazon Machine Learning, to detect and prevent fraud. They analyze data from multiple sources, such as transaction and customer data, to identify patterns and anomalies that could indicate fraudulent activity. Additionally, Organizations can use Amazon Redshift to store and query large amounts of financial data, and create interactive dashboards and reports using Amazon QuickSight to monitor portfolio performance and track key performance indicators. Retail. Retail companies can leverage AWS Glue and Amazon EMR to process and analyze large amounts of customer data to gain insights into customer behavior. For example, a clothing retailer can use this data to understand which products are most popular among customers and what types of promotions drive the most sales. The company can also use Amazon QuickSight to create interactive dashboards that track sales and inventory levels, as well as key performance indicators. One specific example is a meal delivery organization that has modernized its data capabilities by moving from a legacy database to a data lake. This centralized data storage solution makes it easier for the organization to combine information from multiple sources and use analytics tools to gather insights. This, in turn, enables the company to improve its services and create new customer offerings. Government. A government agency can use AWS Glue and Amazon EMR to process and analyze large amounts of data from various sources, such as population statistics, crime data and sensor data to gain insights into social and economic trends and to identify potential issues or areas of concern. Another example is a city that implements an electric scooter ride-sharing system. Each scooter has IoT sensors that report the scooter's locations, whether it is currently rented out, current renter, battery level, speed of travel and more. You can generate near real-time analysis and visualizations using AWS data and business intelligence services and help the city keep the scooter fleet in optimal conditions. An analytic data pipeline in this scenario will use Kinesis Data Firehose to ingest the data of the IoT sensors, then will send the data to Kinesis Data Analytics for near real-time analysis. Once the data is processed, is directed to another Kinesis Data Firehose stream that will load the data in the Redshift data warehouse where it is ready to create visualizations with Amazon QuickSight. Now city officials and leaders can use these dashboards to make data-driven decisions that will benefit their citizens. Gaming. A gaming company can leverage AWS Kinesis to collect, process, and analyze large data streams from game servers and other sources in real time. This allows them to gain insights into player behavior, such as which game features are most popular and which are most likely to lead to player engagement. With Amazon SageMaker, the company can develop, train, and deploy machine learning models to predict player behavior, automate game balancing, and personalize the player experience. Manufacturing. AWS IoT enables manufacturing companies to collect real-time data from industrial equipment and other sources, providing valuable insights into equipment performance. Using machine learning algorithms, these companies can predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance, accordingly, saving time and money. By utilizing AWS data streaming, machine learning, and artificial intelligence services, manufacturing companies can identify trends and anticipate future product demand, allowing them to make informed business decisions. These are only a few examples of the many ways that industries can leverage AWS analytics services to gain valuable insights from their data. The most effective approach will vary depending on the unique requirements and characteristics of the data. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.